Hi guys, my last peach recipe was a disaster, so I decided to try something else. I've baked this before like 10 years ago. It is amazing. They are peach tarts with goat cheese and honey. They're amazing, absolutely amazing and beautiful, as seen by the picture, the thumbnail that you clicked on. Basically all you need is a puff pastry. You only need one sheet. This came with two. Some peaches. You just want to take the pit out and just kind of make some slices in there. You're also going to need goat cheese. I just use the crumbled. You can use whatever variation of cheese that you want. And then you'll also need honey and black pepper. That's literally it. Like, easy. Okay, so I've already cut up my peaches and kind of sliced them diagonally. Preheat the oven to 425 and use parchment paper, as I did, to put on a little cookie sheet like that. Step number 2. So I'm literally just probably going to do 3 different squares on each and make those the 4 inches. So I'm gonna cut. So your next step is going to be pricking each square with a fork. And then the next step is going to be putting the cheese in the middle of the square. And you're gonna wanna leave about half an inch of room on each side around the border. So I am going to take a little spoon and just kind of put some right in here. That looks good. I like a lot. Up to you guys. This is where we're gonna next get into the peaches. So I'm just gonna put, some have kind of a bigger peach. I'm just gonna put one on there. Oh, I forgot! How could I forget? Man, you probably were thinking as I was making the video, like, girl, you forgot one square. Okay, here we go. Who are you, Allie? I don't even know you. Next step, we're just gonna add a little bit of pepper. So just a tiny bit. So this is what they look coming out of the oven. I mean, they have poofed up so much. They look gorgeous. And then now all you have to do is sprinkle honey on top, and this is literally all that I'm doing. This makes a big difference, you guys. Big difference in the sweetness. If you don't like honey or don't want to add that little element of sweet, you definitely don't have to. I super duper prefer to have some sweetness on top, so it makes all the difference in the world. Super yummy. Alright, so they've all been, looks a little messy right here with the honey, but sprinkled on enough. You can put as much honey as you want, but these are it. All right, I did it. Look how beautiful they are. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love them. Super simple. Literally, it's a puff pastry, which I am going to start cooking well enough. Oh, sorry about this. What is that? I'm just gonna own it. I am going to start learning how to actually make the dough myself. It could be really cool to actually make the puff pastry and make the dough, and you know, create everything, you know, from scratch. So here is the inside, super crunchy, savory, really yummy. Here's the one side with more of the goat cheese for you. I hope you guys enjoyed my little recipe. Super easy, super simple. Let me know how yours came out. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy a couple of them. I think I'm gonna bring them to my coworkers tomorrow. The good thing about cooking is I just look like a really nice person because I'm always cooking and then just giving them away. Well, I hope you guys try these out. This was fun. And let me know how it goes with your peach concoctions. Bye.